Hi everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair, and today I'm with the lovely Bella and we're going to show you how to tame all this hair into a really easy smart style. So I'm starting off by just parting the hair into two. So all this top section here, don't worry about the fluffy bits yet, we're going to sort those out. So I'm just going to place this hair out of my way for now. And then we're going to use some wax spray. So you could use water or hairspray at this point, but I just find with this sort of fine hair, wax spray is just amazing. Just coat the hair with this wax spray. So now I'm going to take a little smoothing brush and you can see that that wax spray has just really made this hair really neat, taking away all those flyaways. And I'm just going to smooth this hair into a little ponytail. So a little bit of hairspray once you're happy with that top pony. Next, I've just split this ponytail into two and we're going to be doing just a really quick little plait, little braids, all the way to the end. Pop in a little elastic in here and then we're going to do the other side. So little braid done. Just pinning those out of the way and then we're going to come to this section of hair. So more wax spray on this bit. We're just dividing this back hair into two. Just placing that hair out of the way for a moment. And we're going to create a little pigtail. I'm going to come quite wide with it and just a little bit off the neck. So now we're quickly just going to do another normal 3-strand braid. So there's no Dutch braid, no French braids in this one. So it's a lot easier to do. But most importantly, it's going to look really smart and stay in all day, which is what you want. If you're going to take the trouble to do the hair, you really want it to last. So next what I'm going to do is just take hold of these little braids and just hold them there and just wind them around like so. I'm just taking some small little grips and just securing those into place. So we're just going to release these two little braids now and then I'm just going to wrap this around one bun. And then push that grip through. So to finish the style, we've chosen a little butterfly. That's what Bella fancied today. So Bella has sat so good for us. This is our finished result. You're looking in the mirror, Bella. It's cute, isn't it? And then that's going to last us all day. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.